In this video, we are going to see how can you change your YouTube handle. You will see this channel is by default has a number after the YouTube channel handle. To change this, tap on Customize Channel. You will see branding and basic info. You have to move towards basic info and you will see an option called handle. Just click on it and remove the number. Once you're done, click on publish. Like this, you can change your YouTube channel handle on PC. You can see YouTube handle has been changed. If you have any doubts, comment me in the comment section. I will try to help you out. Like this video and consider subscribe to this channel.